I'm Austin Carafa, the Director of Coffee Education here at Sabbath Coffee Roasters. And today, I will be showing you how to make an Americano at home using the AeroPress. The AeroPress is actually one of my favorite ways to brew coffee, and that is because it is so versatile and easy. You can get espresso-like coffee at home, or a more full-bodied coffee like you would see in a French press. But we'll talk about that in just a second. Now, there are two ways that you can brew the AeroPress. You can either do the inverted method, which looks like this, and you put your coffee and your water here, and then you flip it and plunge, or the traditional method, where you put the cap on first, coffee, water, and then add the plunger. I will be using the traditional method today. As I mentioned, you can either get espresso or coffee, which makes this brewer super unique. Using the AeroPress, you build up pressure, so whenever you plunge, you're just building up that pressure. And it also uses immersion brew, which is having the water and the coffee have a longer contact time. Now, before I start plunging, a few things that you'll need, or a few things you'll see me use in this video, is you'll need a scale, a timer, some coffee, water, the AeroPress, and a little stir stick. When it comes to coffee, I will be using 32 grams of finely ground coffee. And I will also be using 250 grams of hot water set at 175 degrees. Once ready, you could begin plunging. As I mentioned, I'm gonna be using the traditional method. So you're just gonna grab your paper filter, put it in, and screw your cap on. And then make sure you have a cup ready for the coffee. Once you're ready, you're just gonna pour in your coffee. And then give it just a little tiny shake to make sure all of the grounds are nice and even. Once they're even, you can grab your kettle and start pouring. For the first pour, I'm gonna be pouring 50 grams of water in the AeroPress. Once your 50 grams is in, you're gonna grab your stir stick and just give it a little tiny stir. You're gonna start your timer and wait 20 seconds. After that 20 seconds is up, you're just gonna pour 50 more grams of water in. At this point, you're gonna be at 100 grams of water, and you can just add your plunger up top. And then you're gonna wait 40 seconds for all of that to start brewing. Once that 40 seconds is up, you're just gonna remove your cup from your scale, because you don't wanna break your scale, and you're going to slowly plunge your AeroPress. Right now, you just made a very similar cup of coffee to an espresso. You can drink it like this, or as I'm gonna show you how, make an Americano from it. You're just gonna take your kettle and pour in 150 more grams of water. Just like that, you made an Americano at home using the AeroPress.